Hello, this is Smiley Teacher and I'm so glad to see you back. In today's lesson we will talk about past perfect. So, let's get started. Today I will tell you a short story. Does she seem happy? No, she doesn't. This girl and this boy used to be boyfriend and girlfriend, but they broke up. Today, she knew that he was going to propose to this girl. She came here to stop him, but he had proposed to her before she arrived. Why do we use past perfect? We use it to talk about two actions happened in the past, but past perfect happened first. And our second action is going to be written in simple past form. First, he had proposed to her, and then she arrived. Simple past. Let's move on. Another example. Negative form. He hadn't fixed the car before the car broke down. First, he hadn't fixed the car and then the car broke down. Past perfect, simple past. How do we make it? Subject, all of them, plus had, plus past participle or third form of the verb, and the rest of the sentence. Negative form, subject, plus hadn't, plus past participle or third form of the verb, and the rest of the sentence. Short form, I had, I'd, she had, she'd, you had, you'd, he had, he'd, it had, it'd, they had, they'd, we had, we'd. Let's look at more examples. This is Sophie. After Sophie had finished her work, she went to lunch. First, she had finished her work and then she went to lunch. I washed the floor when the painter had gone. It doesn't matter where to put past perfect. You can put it at the end or at the beginning, but it means that this action in past perfect form happened first, so you can simply play with them. Sometimes you can use only past perfect form, but if there is a background story, Harold had known about it for a while. It means that first he knew about something and then the others knew about it. Look at this example. I hadn't had cats before these two. Don't be confused if you have ever seen had plus had or hadn't plus had. This is fixed in past perfect form. She wants to show that before these two never had cats. So we should put it here as a fixed phrase, and also we need past participle of the verb have, which is had. That's why you can see two had here. Don't get confused. My friends had never gone to France. Maybe we are going to France, but before that, my friends had never gone to France. Another form to make it in negative form with never. Question form. Had you already been in business together? We are asking them. Also, you can use these phrases already, yet, just. Yes, we had. No, we hadn't. or no, we had never. Let's practice. You are going to choose correct option here. You can underline or highlight it for yourself. Pause this video right now and try to do it on your own because in next slide you are going to see the answer key. This was the end of this session. If you had any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section.